Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO T1 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me. And also visible, which will be a crucial part. Now once your content is open and visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up, allowing you to capture a long screenshot or share this. It also gives you this pop-up right here if you're doing this the first time, letting you know that you can also capture a screenshot with a 3-finger swipe down. There we go. So now that I have captured 2 screenshots, I'll just show you where you can locate them. So open up your album, navigate to Albums, and then you'll see a screenshot folder or album. And in here, you will find all the screenshots that you have captured over the course of using this device. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.